Struggling to turn your business idea into reality? A well-crafted business plan could be the difference between just dreaming and actually succeeding. And here we'll show you how to create one. Hi, Nick here from First Formations. A business plan outlines your company's goals, strategy and finances. It's really important because it helps you stay focused and is often needed by people like lenders or investors. So what's actually included in it? Now, they do vary, but most will cover some core areas. The first of which is the executive summary. This is just a snapshot of your whole business plan on a single page. It includes your company's name, location, products or services, and what makes you different from your competitors. Make sure this section really grabs people's attention, otherwise they may not read beyond it. Then you have the company description. Here you should outline the type of company you are, say a private company limited by shares, the nature of your business, and the marketplace needs that you aim to fulfill. The next section covers market analysis, which expands on this. This section demonstrates that you understand your industry and target market, so you need to include information about your potential customers and your competition. Make sure you use actual data wherever possible, rather than estimates or guesswork. You will typically then have a section covering your products or services, explaining how they benefit customers and what makes them unique. If you sell products, explain how they're produced and what your selling strategy is. Be honest about where your offerings stand in the market, whether they're premium, mid-range or budget. Now, having great products is only half the battle. You also need a solid plan to get them in front of customers, and that is where your marketing and sales strategy comes in. Your section here outlines how you plan to attract and retain customers. Think about which marketing channels you will use and how you will price your products or services. Be specific about the tactics that you'll employ. For example, social media marketing or traditional advertising. Next, cover the financial projections. Include credible forecasts for at least the next 3 years with balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. If seeking funding, state how much you need and how you will use it. Finally, put together an action plan. This outlines specific steps to achieve your business goals with clear timelines and measurable milestones. Once completed, keep your business plan to hand and refer to it regularly to track your progress against your business's goals. If you're seeking funding, be prepared to discuss your plan in detail with lenders or investors. And that's it for this video. A business plan is really important, so do not skip it. It's important for you as well as external parties like investors. Consider also getting the help of an accountant, particularly for the finance section. If you like this video, please do like it, share and subscribe to see more just like it. And we'll see you next time. Cheerio.